One is structure of carbonyl group. The carbonyl carbon, that is C double bond 2. This is the carbonyl carbon. This carbon undergo sp2 hybridization. The bond between the carbon oxygen is a double bond. This bond is similar to the bond between the carbon-carbon double bond in alkene. And this undergo sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, so that there are 3 sp3 hybrid orbital is formed. Among these 3 sp3 hybrid orbital, one is overlap with oxygen atom and form a sigma bond, carbon oxygen sigma bond. Another two, one is overlap with the carbon and another one is overlap with the hydrogen in aldehyde. In ketone, overlap with the carbon, that is in ketone. These 3 sigma bonds lie in the same plane. This is one bond, this is another one, this is the oxygen bond. Now, this carbon contains the that is one orbital, one of the p orbital does not undergo hybridization. So that is having one unhybridized 2p orbital which lies perpendicular to the plane and it overlap. This is the carbon atom orbital. This is the 2p orbital of oxygen. So they overlap, laterally overlap, so that a pi bond is formed. So this is the structure of carbonyl group. See here, this is the carbon. This is also another carbon. If it is aldehyde, it is a hydrogen. Double bond oxygen. Here, the oxygen is more electronegative. So it attracts these electrons, shared electrons towards itself, and hence the bond is the polar bond. Oxygen, this carbon carries the positive charge, this carries the negative charge, because these electrons are attracted towards the carbon atom. So it attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself. So the bond becomes a polar bond. Carbon, oxygen, this carries negative charge and this carbon carries positive charge. So the bond becomes a polar bond. This polarization contributes to the reactivity of aldehyde and ketones. Method of preparation of aldehyde and ketones. The first method is oxidation and catalytic reduction of alcohols. Alcohol undergo oxidation. The presence of suitable oxidizing agent such as acidified sodium dichromate, potassium permanganate, they gives aldehyde and ketones. Further oxidation, it yields carboxylic acid. When PCC used as a oxidizing agent, what does PCC means? Pyridinium chlorochromate. When PCC used as a oxidizing agent, alcohol oxidized and give aldehydes or ketones. For example, when propanol undergo oxidation, the presence of PCC, it gives propanil. Next one is catalytic dehydrogenation. That is, when the vapors of primary and secondary alcohols are passed over copper at 573 Kelvin, dehydrogenation takes place and they form aldehyde and ketones. For example, vapors of ethanol, when it is passed over copper at 573 Kelvin, an aldehyde is formed. This is ethanol. The same way, secondary alcohol, when the vapors of secondary alcohol passed over copper at 573 Kelvin, it gives a ketone, that is propanone. Next method of preparation is from alkene. When alkene undergo ozonolysis followed by hydrolysis, they give aldehydes or ketones. For example, butene. When this butene is reacted with the ozone, it forms a ozonoid, and followed by this hydrolysis gives aldehyde or ketone. The reaction is CH3, CH double bond, CH3. To this, when ozone is added, this ozone added across this double bond, so we will be getting a ozonoid CH3, CH, CH3. This is a ozonoid. When this ozonoid undergo hydrolysis with zinc dust followed by hydrolysis, cleavage of bond takes place. So the bond is cleaved here and here also. So we will be getting CH3, CHO, CH3, CHO. The same way, two molecules CH3, CHO, two molecules of aldehyde and ZNO. One more example, CH3, CH double bond, CH3, CH3. This is 2-methyl butene. 2-methyl 2-butene. When this undergo ozonolysis, here also the ozone is added across the double bond. We will be getting CH3, CH, when this ozonoid is treated with zinc dust followed by hydrolysis, the bond is cleaved here, and this is one and here. So we will be getting CH3, CHO, an aldehyde, plus this is CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and ketone. Next method is hydration of alkyne. Here, when alkyne is treated with next method of preparation is hydration of alkyne. When alkyne treated with next method of preparation is hydration of alkyne. Alkyne undergo hydration in the presence of sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate to give the corresponding aldehyde and ketones. So this CH triple bond CH, this is the alkyne, ethyne. It undergo hydration, HOH is added in presence of HgSO4. First it form a enol, CH. This is a enol. Then this enol undergo isomerization. It isomerizes, gives an aldehyde, CH3 CHO, ethanol. Next method of preparation is from calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Aldehyde and ketones can be prepared by the dry distillation of calcium salt of carboxylic acid. For example, calcium methonate, this is CH, C double bond O, this is calcium methonate. It undergo dry distillation gives methanol. Here, this calcium carbonate CaCO3 is the leaving group. This bond is so we get the methanol, and this is removed as the CaCO3, calcium carbonate. One more example, calcium ethonate, CH3 C double bond O, calcium. This is calcium ethonate. It undergo dry distillation. It gives a ketone, that is propanone. Here the breaking of the bond takes place. So this is removed as CaCO3, calcium carbonate. The remaining is CH3, C double bond O, and the CH3, propanone, and a ketone is obtained.